Alright guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see, there is no floor. There's no carpet. I already removed also the sound deadening mats. They were all cracked and they were really hard. As well, I removed this center console. It was, it's bad. It's right here. So this is actually what happened. It's there. It is. This one. It actually started rusting bad, so I ended up starting to powder coat. Sandblast it. So that's one part in there, and then this is the first one that I did. As you can see, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna powder coat that. But this is today's topic. This is from Kilmat. It's a sound deadening, pretty much I would say sound deadening mats right there that you lay down on the floor, so actually it eliminates external noise, internal panel squeaking, and yeah, it's just pretty much what it is. It stops the noise from outside to get inside the cabin. Like, at least it minimizes this, but yeah. So it's soundproofing right there. I bought this kit. This whole set comes with a bunch of these. So the plan is to lay it down on the floor and do as best possible job as possible, of course. So yeah, I know it's a lot of work and it's gonna take a while, but yeah, that's the plan for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying it down. First of all, make sure that you clean the area, clean everything that you can. I went and wiped it all with acetone and a rag and cleaned it as much as possible. Like I said, I do have a couple of runs over here that are probably soda or something. I'll go and do it with water. Thing with this is you don't want a lot of water here. You don't want to make it wet and then you put that thing on top where it's just gonna start corroding. So yeah, be careful with that, what you do. So yeah, I know a lot of people wanna remove sound deadening, remove extra panels and all that, just to lose some weight. I want this car to be I would say nice looking car, fast, but also a comfortable ride. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it, and that's why I'm replacing those old sound deadening panels from 1999, 20 something years. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get going right now, and I'll give you a couple of pictures once I start laying it down. So enjoy. All right guys, a quick update. So how you do this, all it is, you peel the bottom part and you just lay it on it sticks. It's like a tape. Make sure that you don't forget the holes for the seats or for whatever you need. For example, right here, all these console bolts, I'm gonna have to make holes for that. Make sure that, like I said one more time, surface is clean. uh, this thing, once you peel this piece, it's really sticky, especially if it's hot where you live. That thing is gonna be really sticky. So you can peel it off, you can peel it off, but once you place it on the floor, try not to move it no more. That's it. Just leave it there, let it be. So yeah, like I said, this is gonna look good. So far so good. I mean, that right there is 3 of those, and I think I'm gonna have more than enough to finish the whole this section here, and then I will have to remove the seats and then continue all the way to the back. So yeah, like I said, focus on cleaning first, clean it really good, and then lay it on top of this floor, and then I use the hammer to do the corners and to tap it and make it stick as much as possible. On top of this is gonna go another film, which I'm gonna show you in probably next video, uh, and then it's gonna go carpet. So yeah, stay tuned for the hopefully end of this whole thing, and yeah, you guys will see how it looks. All right, a little bit of progress. So I managed to do the passenger side, the whole thing. Right here, let me see if I can try to go all the way, guys. Lift this mat. I think there's even a way to disconnect it all the way. There's a little thing that you disconnect it and then you take it off. So yeah, try to slide as much as possible. Now we're gonna be doing that side here. I still have to fix this area here. Like I said, focus where the holes are. Don't forget that, where the bolts are. And yeah, this thing it's really easy to work with. Once you peel it off, it peels off really easy. It looks like a black asphalt. It even smells like asphalt, tar looking thing. So yeah, just take your time, guys. Don't rush. The more time you spend, doing it nice and easy, and sticking it really good, the end result is going to be better. All right, so yeah, I will update you on the driver's side pretty soon, so stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, she is finally done. I finally finished the whole whole interior with the mats. I went under, especially down there. You want to go as far as possible, guys. So yeah, it looks pretty. It looks really good. Again, guys, it's important to clean it really good. It's important to remember where the holes are, so later you're not gonna have no problems. Okay, you have a bunch of holes and bunch of these bolts, so be careful with that. If you forget where they are, you're gonna have a fun time doing it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I know it's probably a long video, but yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Out of that whole pack, I have 1.5 left, one and a half sheet left, so it's perfect for Mitsubishi Eclipse, and it did the job. So yeah, make sure of course, make sure that you clean really good once again, and yeah, focus on holes and squeegee it really good, get those bubbles out, put it in the corners really good so it looks better, and of course the effects of sound deadening is better as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, share, uh, like it, of course, comment down below if you need some help with some information, and yeah, stay tuned for next video. Laters.